Hello everyone, this is Afra from Quick WordPress Websites. Today we are going to see the installation and demo import of B theme. It's a responsive multi-purpose WordPress and WooCommerce theme. You can purchase this theme for $3 with GPL license. The eBay link is available in the description. 2022 latest versions of B theme contains 650 plus pre-built websites. It also supports Elementor Builder. There are so many categories here: business, blogs, food and restaurants, health and beauty, magazine and writing, etc. Let's see how to install the theme. First, you go to your website's WordPress dashboard. So I'm going to my websites and click my WordPress dashboard, and then click appearance and click themes. Then click add new, then upload theme. Then locate the theme you have purchased. So the B theme coming with the B theme Pro and the child theme. The child theme is needed when you want to get more familiarization or more customization need. Otherwise B theme Pro is enough. So I am installing the B theme Pro now. It will take a couple of minutes. After the installation is completed, click activate. Now the theme is activated. You can check your copy of theme is registered, and here you can see the theme is registered. And on the right hand side, the system status, there are requirements, that basic requirements needed for the B theme to properly work. You have to set them with the hosting provider. Here PHP max input verse is 5000, but my one is 1000. That's not the issue as far as you are not using a complex website. And you can check other menus like system status and manual and support. The manual and support have the video demonstration, so you can check the videos how to import and pre-build websites, and other things are mentioned there. Let's start the demo importation. So before import pre-built websites, you have to install some plugins. So that premium bundle plugins are there, so you can click that icon, or else you can go to the dashboard and below the B theme you can see the install plugin. So when you click, you can see the required plugin list. So here Elementor and WP Bakery Builder also there, so you can use either one. Let's install the plugins as bulk. So select all the plugins and click bulk actions as install and click apply. It will install all the plugins. Once installation is completed, you can go back to the plugin installer and again select all the plugins and activate them as a bulk. So select all the plugins and select activate and click apply. It will activate all the installed plugins. So now all the plugins are installed. Now we can go to the pre-built websites and select the preferred one. So go to the B theme and click pre-built websites. Here you can see the huge collection of websites. Those are categorically divided, and also the websites which are supportive with Elementor are marked with the logo of Elementor. So you can choose if you are more preferred with the Elementor builder. I am going to install a pre-built website called Chinese restaurant, so I am selecting that website. Here it will ask the preferred builder. So Muffin builder is the inbuilt one with this B theme, or else you can use the Elementor. So I am preferred with Elementor. When I select Elementor, then it will show the required plugins. Those plugins I already installed and activated, so I am clicking next. The following pop-up will appear. It will ask for the database reset. If you already install any themes in your website, so it's better to clear those already installed databases. So I am also doing that, reset now. So it will delete all the databases available in this domain and it install the fresh ones. So I am clicking reset now. So now my database is clear. Now I am clicking the complete pre-built website. So it will import all the images and data of the website and also the revolution slider data. So it will take around 3 to 4 minutes. When the import is completed, you will get the success message. So B Restaurant 7 has been successfully installed. You have new website now. So when you click preview website, you can see the installed website. Here you can see all the contents of the demo websites is imported. You can just go through the websites and you can see the all the demo data have been imported here. If you want to edit the theme options, go back to your dashboard and click B theme and select the theme options. Here you can see the global settings and logo, buttons, image and other things, and also you can edit the header and subheader, also the menu bars and other things. So you can go around with this menu bar and you can edit the global and header and footer contents and social media icons. If you want to edit the page contents, go to the page and open with the dashboard. You can see the menu items above this each pages. Here you can edit page with WordPress editor or edit with Elementor, or you can use edit with WP Bakery page builder. So my preference is the Elementor builder, so I am clicking the Elementor. Now the page is open in the Elementor builder. So here you can edit the page contents with the Elementor builder as shown here. So you can click each item and you can edit the item in the left side menu bar. If you want any demonstration of any other things, please comment here. Thank you.